If you want to build $1 million business selling on Amazon, let me talk to you about private label. There are many different ways you can sell on Amazon. You can sell other people's products, you can flip products you find in the store, but what I teach you to do is to create your own brand and your own products and start making a profit. Once you launch a bunch of those products under that brand, you can sell that business for many times the profit. Now, I've helped hundreds of students create brands from scratch that they've gone on to sell for millions of dollars. And I want to help you do the same thing. Many of you have a product idea and you want to start a business. Well, I can help you do that by helping you get it sold on Amazon. Now, the way that this works is that you're going to first validate that idea. Amazon's very complicated, but there's a lot of built-in demand. Business of private label largely depends on how efficient you can build products that people want more than the current bestsellers. Now, that sounds like a lot and a lot of fluff, but the reality is there's real data out there from the keyword demand and how people are searching for the current products, how the current sellers are getting their sales, and the feedback from the reviews that people are leaving can tell you how to build a better product. What do people like and not like about the product? So how do we use tools and data and AI to build better products? This is what I'm going to walk you through with Seller Systems Academy. Seller Systems Academy is your go-to place to learn how to start and launch your business. We're going to walk you through the very basics of product development, but also take you really deep into design, content design, logistics, dealing with factories and ads and marketing. You're going to know how to run your business from 0 all the way to 7 figures with just a course and our community. Once you join Seller Systems Academy, you are going to have a giant SOP of steps that you can follow to walk you through and guide you. But not only that, you have live classes with instructors, including myself, and you have a community of support that you can lean into. So we're going to guide you from beginning to end, from you finding the initial product and validating that, to sourcing it, to getting it over to Amazon and launching it so that you can start making sales and building your $1 million business. Now, I've had hundreds of sellers join that have gone on to become millionaires, but one case in particular really stands out. And if you watch our older videos from a few years ago, you'll notice that there was a woman who was joining the calls from her cubicle at work. She would literally be hiding with earbuds on, asking questions during our live classes so that she could get the support she needed as she was building her business. Within the first 1.5 years of launching her business, it did over $1 million in profit. And that was started just 10 hours a week on the side and whenever she could get time, until it cost her money to go to work. And this is what I want to do for you. I want to help you in your free time right now start a business and take action. This student, amongst the many others that we have in the community, are attending the classes on a regular basis and asking questions. We have these live classes where you can ask questions and I will be there or a coach will be there until every last question is answered. And this is what it takes to be successful. Ask the hard questions, put in the work, watch the videos, and go review a lot of products. She did this work and I can very vividly remember her doing this every single week she'd be there. And it led to a lot of success. And she's not the only one. We have, again, hundreds of students that we've helped to become super successful and achieve financial freedom. I want you to be next. There are a lot of people out here teaching and talking about Amazon. The reality is we are out here doing it. We've been selling on Amazon since 2015, and even this year, we will do over $10 million with our own brands. We've done over $75 million with our own brands. And I don't need to be teaching. We could keep it a secret and continue to sell our businesses for a lot of money. But the reality is my wife and I have a passion for teaching, and I want to help you in that way as well. If you like this video, please let me know what you liked about it in the comments. Feel free to leave questions. I'm in the comments. I will answer your questions. And don't forget to subscribe. You can also find me on any social media platform by searching for Brandon Young Amazon. I am your favorite Amazon mentor. I will see you around.